Good morning, everyone. My name is Sandaral Sistoy, and today we're going to tackle about the food waste causes, consequences, and how to reduce it. Have you ever wondered how much food we could save if every plate, every meal, and every grain of rice truly mattered to us? Food waste is not just a problem of leftovers. It is a silent crisis hiding in plain sight. Every year, millions of tons of edible food are thrown away while many families still struggle to eat 3 meals a day. Behind every wasted meal lies the effort of farmers, fishers, and workers who toiled under the sun and sea. The Philippines, being an agricultural country, feels this impact deeply. When we waste food, we also waste the labor, water, and energy used to produce it. It's a cycle that drains both our economy and our environment. Food waste contributes pollution, hunger, and lost opportunities. Yet it continues quietly, often overlooked in our daily busy lives. As a future educators and leaders, it is important for us to recognize these issues early. By understanding this, by understanding the roots of food waste is the first step toward meaningful change. We've all been there. We've all been there buying too much during payday, cooking extra for a gathering of forgetting leftovers inside the fridge. Sometimes we throw away food because it doesn't look fresh anymore if it's still safe to eat. In our school events, we see tables filled with untouched food after celebrations. In our homes, we see in our homes rice is often cooked in excess and left to spoil overnight. Farmers may lose their harvest due to poor storage or transportation delays. Fisher folk may catch up more than they can sell in the day, leaving some of their hard work to waste. After all, respect for food is respect for those who work hard. Reducing food waste begins with awareness and small deliberations actions. We can plan our meals, share leftovers, and store food properly. Imagine a future where no meals goes to waste. So today, ask yourself, how can I make every meal count not just for myself, but for others and for the world we share? Thank you.